Hey friends, if Microsoft Store is not opening or closes immediately after opening on Windows, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you what specifically this issue is. You tried opening Microsoft Store, it blinked for a while, it didn't open completely and it shut down again. So this is a very separate kind of an issue, and one of the reasons is that when you try to open it, it tries syncing a lot of certificates. Okay, it checks for security. Why? Because Microsoft Store will only function when the system is secure. It needs to make sure that the downloads are secure. So obviously you have to right click on the start button, select settings, go to Windows Update and check for updates to make sure that the latest security updates are installed on your system. But other than that, you also need to adjust the date and time settings and sync it in such a manner that the time is the current time. So go to time and language, select date and time, turn on all these three switches, especially for set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Click on sync now and wait till you get this tick here. The next solution is to disable all proxy connections and even third-party VPNs. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select proxy, and if any proxy server is set up, then remove it and then check automatically detect settings. And last is to clear the Windows Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter to eliminate the Windows Store cache, and then close the Microsoft Store and then reopen it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.